Beautiful day. Every day. Every day I wake up and wonder. I wonder what's going to happen today. You think, Lucy Lou? Huh?
A child arrived just the other day. He came to the world in the usual way, but there were planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away, and he was talking for I knew it. And as he grew, he'd say, "I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know."
Feels so. Yesterday I went fishing with my ultralight. Little bitty rod. I don't think it's even 4 foot long. 4 pound test line. I caught 7 fish. The biggest one was 8 pounds and it's a few ounces. Nothing less than 3 pounds. 7 fish. Actually, I caught a whole bunch of fish, but 7 big fish on a little rod. Check it out. They're good. You can't make it happen. You just got to be there when it does happen. Did a little rotisserie cooking. Cooked a chicken. I'll show you that video here. And then I think it was the next day or the day after I cooked a little roast. I think it was a little rump roast. Oh, so good. Then I sliced that off. And I had like steak and eggs in the morning. That was excellent. It's just this simple. I took the, this is the end that the rotisserie motor fits on. It just slides on in those slots right there. Like that. I just took it on a tube. This is an aluminum tube, and I screwed it in with a couple of sheet metal screws. And this is the end, the other end that the spit rides on. Did the same thing, a couple sheet metal screws. And then I drove a couple of stakes, some metal rods into the ground in my campfire. And these just simply fit right over those rods. I'll show you. So the motor goes on this side, right over here. It's closest to the electrical outlet. Mine happens to be 110 volt. They do make solar versions of these, or battery versions as well. I don't have one. This works good for me, as long as I got power. You just fit down just like that. Motor fits on like this. I'm going to do a chicken today. That chicken's about just a little over 5 pounds. This is the spit. The chicken is going to fit right through this and onto these forks, and then these forks fit on the other end of the spit. Slide on, you tighten it up. And this spit has a counterweight for balancing, and that's important. Not all spits have that, and you'll see when I get it over the fire. That chicken's still a little bit frozen, so I'll let it defrost a little more, and then I'll get it on. Now you can use a seasoning of your choice. Sometimes I use garlic powder. This time I'm using a little Shepherd's. Yeah, this is the Cajun and Creole blend. Good stuff, I'm telling you. Makes a real nice coating on that skin. So I have the skewer inserted, and the ends inserted and tightened. It's got it seasoned, and I think it's pretty well balanced. We'll put it out there, and we'll make our final adjustment with the counterweight on the end. I pre-adjusted that counterweight, and it looks like I did a pretty good job. It'll tighten up a little bit as the fire gets hot, and as the chicken cooks and the juices run out. I may have to adjust it a little bit, but now it's just maintaining the fire. And when we want to get a 170 degree internal temperature on that chicken, and that'll cook all afternoon. You'll just sit there cooking its juices. We'll check it from time to time. Here's some of the other seasonings that I got from Shepherd's, and they make quite a variety of different things. Shep originally sent me some of these, and then I went to let's see, is it Shepherd's Food, Shepherd's Seasoning, that focus, shepherdseasoning.com, and made an order, and I got these different. I got the Creole, I got the steak seasoning, I got the Mesquite special blend. It's all good stuff. Check them out. I'll put Shep's link down there. Go over there and sub him and tell him I sent you. He's a good friend. Good YouTube friend. I've never met him in person yet, but he's not that far away from me. And one of these days we'll have to get together. Looking good. Yeah, Chef Temp isn't sponsoring this video, but they did send me this thermometer a while back, and I'll tell you what, it is awesome. My chicken's at 159 right now. That's the air temperature right here, 90. Anyway, I'm shooting for an internal temperature of 170, and it'll be done. It's been on about, well, I don't know, about 3.5 hours now, so it's looking good. Plenty of juice. Looks done to me. 186. Mighty fine. I don't know if you notice or not, but if I turn that over, yeah, the display turns over. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, it doesn't matter which way it is. 5 hours on the rotisserie. Look at that. Don't even need the knife. No, it just look at the goodness. Wings are my favorite. I'm gonna let it sit just a little bit longer. It makes it easier to cut.
Severe vision loss. Ready? Sorry.
All right. Look at the goodness. Look at that. The doneness, juiciness, tenderness. It's excellent. All right, there it is. Beets, baked beans, chicken wing. Oh, look at the goodness. Did I mention my knife? Yeah, Crawdaddy Forge. The link will be down below. You want one? I think he calls that the Nussmuck. It's awesome. I use it every day. Yeah, it says steak seasoning, but I'll tell you what, it is awesome on this stuff. It works so good. You just got to try it out. The link for Shep will be down below. Shepherdseasoning.com, that's where I ordered this from. That's just a cheap old round roast, rump roast. Thanks, Shep. That'll cook all afternoon. Looks so good. I might adjust that counterbalance just a little bit so that doesn't roll like that. It just stays a constant turn.